Hi class, welcome to Unit 1 of Image Editing Applications. Each week I'll go through and post a quick overview video to clarify any discrepancies that might be looming within that unit that I find I get a lot of questions about from students from term to term. The first is just basically how to navigate. I know my intro video covered that for the most part, but I'd like to just introduce what we're doing for this unit. We're going to be understanding the cloud and its infrastructure. A lot of you are already very familiar with that. We're going to be doing some file syncing, servers, and transfer data, and then URL overview. Basically, you will find this intro video underneath the Unit 1 instructions. If you're viewing it, you've done that successfully, so that's a good thing. You will want to view the instructions. It tells you what to do for this week. Basically, this week, we're going to be looking at each one of these freeware applications for editing images, and we're going to be comparing and contrasting them down here in one of the forums. But before you do that, you want to read the syllabus, and you're going to want to post to the Icebreaker forum to introduce yourself, share whatever information you like, maybe what program you're in, why you're pursuing that pathway, and what your hobbies are, your online course experience, etc., etc. Next, you're going to want to post your image editor of choice, what you usually use. What do you use for filters before you post something to social media? What type of image editor do you default to each time you want to spruce up the lighting in a photo? So those are the types of things you want to post. And then lastly, you're going to test, compare, and contrast, and you're going to write about it in this exercise 1. It tells you what you're supposed to do and then how you submit it. So respond to each of your peers within those forums. That would be a good thing. And then you want to talk about your analysis for the image editor of choice. You want to talk about maybe describing its visual characteristics, its navigation, and usability. Compare and contrast those features and write about it, the pros and cons, and submit. You could submit right into the form field, or you can type it into a Word document. Submissions are allowed, file submissions as well. So I hope that gave you a good understanding. If you have questions, you can ask each other within the troubleshoot forum, or most certainly, email me directly. You'll get the most effective response rate. But I will see you in the forums and in the Unit 2 virtual video. Otherwise, have a great and productive week.